Beaskin here from Technos with another video. Today we have the Craftsman mini LED work light. So this will clip onto your pants, which is pretty cool. It has 6 LEDs, which get pretty bright. So this is 60 lumens, pocket size with clip. Like I said, magnetic base. You can hook it onto a workbench or refrigerator or something like that. Rubberized grip, so the whole thing's in a rubber coating so it won't slip. 11 hours of continuous runtime, which is great battery life, and you can always replace the batteries. There are 3 AAA die-hard batteries included. So that's good to know. So here's the magnetic, so you can attach it to your door or something if you want to look for someone on the ground. Great for illumination in tight spaces if you're working with something in a dark space. And it has a 2-year or 1-year warranty. So here's how it works. You have the LED lights, on and off switch on the top. You put your batteries in here, and it will last for 11 hours continuously. So here's some warranty information. If you want to read that, go ahead, but that's not important. So let's just cut this open real quick. Here guys, I'm back. I got all the stuff off of it. So here we have our LED light with the Craftsman branding. Here's the clip, so you can clip it onto things like your sweatshirt. It's a pretty nice clip. So wow, it's actually pretty bright. So here's with the light on from the LED light. Here's without. So it makes a big difference in the video. So here you can see the 6 LEDs, very bright. They're also magnetic. So let's see if it will. So right now I don't have anything magnetic with me. I would probably put this on like a door or refrigerator. And my tripod doesn't seem to be magnetic either. Alright guys, I'm back. I got this from a previous video, the pickup tool. And it is magnetic with this. So you can attach it to the pickup tool as like an extra reach kind of thing, even though this already has a light on it. Here you go. So you can see it is magnetic, so it will stick to that, but in a real life situation, you'll probably put that on like a refrigerator or a door or a workbench or something like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Like, subscribe. You can pick this up for around $5 at Sears or Sears.com. If you have any questions for this or any other products, leave it in the comments below. I'm always down there answering questions. And leave a like if you like this video. And if you don't, that's okay. Like, subscribe, Beaskin out.